Yeah, I actually like this system, how they have it here with all these skywalks. When you go through the Gaysorn Mall, you can actually walk all the way to Siam Paragon. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Ratchaprasong Skywalk and it just started to rain. We're in the middle of the rainy season, so I thought it would be a nice idea to film this place during the rain, and this is one of the reasons why they have it this covered skywalk. You can hear the thunder is going on. Here you have the Klongstang Step boat station. And as you can see, it's not really heavy rain. Here we are in front of the Centennial Park. And this skywalk gives you the opportunity to walk between all the main shopping areas in the city without getting wet, and normally in the sun without getting burned. You know, whenever I film these locations, it's always when it's sunny. So I thought it would be a good idea to catch it in the rain. It's Sunday afternoon, around 12 o'clock. So let me also give you a bit of an update regarding the construction site. So this is the market shopping mall, and this is the office building, which is almost finished. And then you have the hotel building that seems to be ready as well. I'm not sure when it's gonna open. If you come to Bangkok now during the rainy season, you can expect a bit of rain, but normally it takes about half an hour or an hour and then it's finished. And as you can see, we have a lot of protection. Many of the skywalks are covered, so you don't really have to be worried about the rain. So the Centennial Park opened a few months ago, and it looks pretty green, and I think it's going to be greener with all this rain. So here you have the Central World Mall with on the corner the building that used to be the Isetan, and now it's incorporated in the main mall. You can see there on the corner there, that's the food hall where you can get all kinds of good Japanese food. Here you have the Ganesh shrine and the Trimurti shrine, and if you want to look for love, you have to come here. So if you want to go to Central World, you can go down here, but I am going to walk in the direction of the BTS. You know, normally when you have this kind of rain, the traffic always gets to a halt. You see the blue sky coming up already in the back there. So here you can go to the market. I'm gonna walk in the direction of the Gaysorn Mall. Yeah, I actually like this system, how they have it here with all these skywalks. You can, when you go through the Gaysorn Mall, you can actually walk all the way to Siam Paragon, and you don't have to worry about the rain. So there's a food hall. The tent here in front of the Central World Mall is a big food hall that's been there already for a couple of months. You know, you can see already that the rain is lighting up. And normally these showers take about an hour, half an hour, and it really depends on the location where you are. Some locations flood, but for example here you can see there's not much happening. To be honest, this is also not a very heavy rain, and if you listen well you can hear it come down already. Well, there's actually proper blue sky coming through there now. So here we are at the Gaysorn Village, and the Gaysorn Village is expanding. There's a shopping mall called Amarin, and Amarin is being refurbished at the moment and will be a part of the Gaysorn Mall. So here you have the connection between the office tower and the shopping mall. Yeah, I decided to make a few more videos like I used to do in the beginning when I started my channel. So there's gonna be a bit more of walking, just doing point of view walking through the city, give you guys an update on how Bangkok looks at the moment, and a bit more bicycles. I will probably edit a little bit less. You have a super rich exchange, and normally if you want to get a good exchange rate you can always come to super rich. So if you turn left here, you get to the Chitlam BTS station, but I'm gonna walk in the direction of Central World. And if you walk all the way straight here, you get to the Siam Paragon Mall. know, the rain stopped. Everything is fresh. You know, the good thing about the rainy season is that it refreshes the city. Normally Bangkok is a super hot place, but I would actually say that the rainy season is a perfect time to come and visit the city. New Ninja Turtle movie, I see. So this is one of the results of the rain. Traffic always gets congested. Everybody jumps in a taxi, everybody wants to go with a car, nobody wants to go through the rain, so So if you walk straight in that direction, you get to the Siam Paragon Mall, but I'm going to the Central World Mall. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short update regarding the R walk in the rain. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe. You know I will keep you up to date about everything that's going on in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.